Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you a Python program that I've written, which is this, as you can see, this program here. Um, this program uses two external files, and it also calls OpenAI API. Basically, this program analyzes a resume and gives out a report. So we'll see what this does when we run it. So I just want to show you two more things. The external files it uses are these two, key skills and soft skills. So the key skills I've listed some uh, technical skills that are required for this job, like let's say Python, database, payment, banking, etc. Similarly, for soft skills, I've listed achievements, objective, volunteer, learning, leadership, and all that. So let's go ahead and run this program. Okay, so this is the one that we need to run. Okay, before we run this, we need to enter the PDF file of the resume. So for this program, I have created two fake resumes. I have one here, it says fake resume 001. I generated this resume with the help of ChatGPT, asked it to give a technical resume, so it gave me a technical resume of an IT person. It's completely fake. It has got some skills. I'm not sure what skills it has, because then we can check through the program whether this resume has those skills or not that we're looking for. So this is resume number one, and then we have resume number two. Again, created through ChatGPT. This is a fake resume. It has more of payments. I asked it to create in a way where this person has more of payments and banking knowledge, So these are the two resumes. We'll run it one by one. So going back to the command prompt, we'll say fake resume 001 PFD PDF. Sorry. There you go. So it should generate permission denied. Oh, the reason it did that because I have the same file, the resume analysis report that I generated in the past. So the file was open, so it was giving me that error. So let's clear the screen, run it again. So it was fake resume 001.pdf, right? So now this should generate the report again. Yes, the report is ready. Go back to right here. Okay, so this has given me a summary of the resume that this person has done, Java, Python, database management, and basically a summary of the entire resume. Then, based on the file where we had the skills written down, the key skills that we want, it's given me a graph of how many skills out of those this person has and what level they have, right? So the Python is the highest here. It shows that they have mentioned Python too many times in the resume. So, and it also gives you the skills that were not found in the resume. So banking and agile are the keywords that were not found in the resume at all. Then it goes to the second section where the soft skills are analyzed. Here's given two soft skills: objective management all these other skills were not found. No achievements, no volunteering, no learning, leadership, or any of that stuff. So what the program does, it goes ahead and creates 10 questions. These 10 questions are based on these skills that were not found. So this is more at a higher level or HR level kind of interview questions, not technical at all. This is almost like the very end of the interview process, either the third level, fourth level, or whatever levels they have. And it could even be HR questions, So yeah, so this is how it generates a report. So we'll close this, not save it, get rid of it, and run the program again to check the second one. So let's run it again. So fake resume 002, that's the PDF. Done in a second. You it's taking a bit of time. Okay, it's done. So tap there, open that. So again, it's given a summary of the resume. This time, key skills. There looks like this person has pretty much all the skills that we're looking for. So because skills not found is, nothing is here. So all the skills have been found at varying levels of, being mentioned in the resume. It looks like the person has done a lot of agile stuff. So agile is like the top, and then banking, and then different skills. And with the soft skills, again, we have this graph here where these skills have been found, others have not been found, and based on what was not found, these questions have been generated. So that for instance, because achievement has not been mentioned in the resume, so there's a question here: can you provide an example of a specific achievement in your previous role that required strong collaboration? Because again, collaboration is something that is not mentioned, and teamwork. So how do you contribute to the achievement? So questions are very specific to the skills that are not mentioned, but what we are looking for in that person. So there you go. This is how this program works. Hope you liked it. If you like this kind of videos, do like and subscribe to my channel, and so that I can make more videos like this. Thanks a lot.